This is an air conditioning demonstration for this 1998 Rover Mini SPI. And I wasn't sure exactly how I was going to try to do this, but let's give the meat thermometer a whirl. So right now this meat thermometer is reading 25 degrees Celsius, which is 77 degrees Fahrenheit. So you have two controls on this car for the AC. One of them is the blower motor, which you turn here. And then the other one controls the compressor and allows you to set the temperature of the air conditioner.